In this video, we're going to be talking about how to apply for a USAA auto loan. So let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, if you are not a USAA member, then you need to be a USAA number or member in order to go ahead and apply. So first things first, apply for the membership, then prepare a documentation. So gather information regarding your employment, your income and residence for the past 2 years. Also apply online through the USAA website, but the best way I can go ahead and suggest you is going to be by heading into the bank itself. In this video, I'm just going to let you know all the documents that you will be needing. Once you have all the documents I mentioned, then for purchase, you may also need vehicle information, including the VIN and mileage. For refinances, you will need current lender information and a 10-day payoff amount. Then USAA will review your credit and income to provide a lending decision. If approved, you can complete the closing process, which may be done entirely online or through a dealer, and I highly recommend a dealer. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll get back to you. See you on the next.